Looking to increase sales and boost your customers' shopping experience? Meet Frequently Bought Together, your ultimate solution for intelligent product bundling. With just one click, your customers can add all recommended products to their cart, complete with exclusive discounts, making shopping easier and more rewarding. Getting started is quick and easy. Simply install the Frequently Bought Together app from the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. You can also add the app through Wix Studio. Head to the App Market menu and search for the Frequently Bought Together app, then click Add to Site. The widget is added to the product page. To enable the widget, simply click on it, then click on the Settings panel. Press Open Dashboard. Our powerful dashboard uses AI-powered recommendations based on your store's order history to create bundles tailored to your customers' preferences. In the Overview tab, you can monitor the sales generated by the app. In the Bundles tab, you will see your store products. With a push of a button, the AI will create a bundle based on your store's order history and tailored to your customers' preferences. If you prefer full control, you can also create manual recommendations, choosing specific products to bundle and setting custom discounts. To continue, make sure that the Activate Widget toggle is on and press on Save Bundle. Now close the dashboard and press here to refresh the widget. In just a few clicks, you've added a high-converting product bundle to your store, enhancing the shopping experience while driving sales. Lastly, make sure to publish your site to display the widget on your live site. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.